Oh my God, besties. So I was on this crazy long flight, right? And I needed to do my makeup, but the lighting was awful. Then I remembered I got this BS Mall travel makeup brush set. Let me tell ya, lifesaver alert. First off, can we talk about the LED mirror? It's like having a beauty studio in your carry-on. Perfect lighting anytime, anywhere. Seriously, whether you're in economy or first class, this thing slays. Plus, eco-warriors, rejoice. These brushes have high-quality synthetic bristles and cute wooden handles. Totally guilt-free glam. Now here's where it gets even better. 14 different brushes. From blending those eyeshadow highlights to getting that smooth foundation finish, it's like having your whole makeup artist kit in one tiny case. Trust me, once you try it, there's no going back. I've been using it non-stop, and my makeup game has seriously leveled up. Ready to glow up wherever you go? Tap that link now and grab yours before they sell out.
Hey beauties! Quick story time. So I was on this crazy weekend trip and my makeup game was struggling until I whipped out my secret weapon, the BS Mall travel makeup brush set. Seriously saved my look. Okay, picture this. You're at a fab party, but you need a quick touch-up. This set's got you covered with its integrated LED mirror, perfect lighting anywhere. And those 14 brushes? From foundation to powder, they do it all. My makeup went from meh to oh my god in minutes. Plus, can we talk about how eco-friendly these are? High quality synthetic bristles and wooden handles, it's sustainability at its best. Feel good about what you're using while looking stunning. Trust me, whether you're jet setting or just heading to work, this is your new go-to. Ready to slay effortlessly?